Hello, my friends. Today is Sunday, the holy Sunday. I just wanted to check in today. Yeah, I just really wanted to check in because I decided today to just plug out, just be, and especially out here in this beautiful park. Maybe go for a swim, rest and recuperate. For the last 3 months, since I started my business, my first business, and the business that will enable me to really express myself and live the life that I want. I've been working a lot relative to my old measures. I've been working a lot and it's been really fun, but lately I've been feeling that stress has been building up a little bit, and today I just felt that I need to come back into alignment with myself, and that felt so good. So I decided to make a short video and just mention the importance of plugging out every now and then to get back into alignment, to center yourself, to ground yourself. Meaning to take some time off and to get back into alignment with who you are. Even if we're doing what we really want to do in life, even if we try to enjoy it, every now and then we get stuck on the trying part instead of being. Someone said we're not human doings but human beings. And I think I know that a lot of people, because I do this myself, every now and then we lose ourselves in the doing. So again, even if we are committing to a path that is in alignment with us, it's easy to get lost in doing, in goal setting, in moving towards something, and not really enjoying the path. You might even enjoy the path. So for me, for example, I've been enjoying this. I've even been enjoying the traces of stress and excitement and stimulation. But it's a whole different thing to be in being and just going with the flow and not trying to push things to happen, because the mind is always going to be there and try to control the outcomes and get faster results and get to that that golden destination faster, most often faster than life intends to give it to you. So a lesson for me today, one that shows up in our lives every now and then for most people, and all the time for many people who are stressing about in their everyday lives. That lesson was just to be today. Just take it easy. I think it was the teachings of Abraham, Esther, and Jerry Hicks, and the astral being calling themselves Abraham, that spoke about that we can do a lot of pushing, a lot of doing, but just a second or just a minute or a day of being in alignment and going with the flow equals tens of thousands of hours of pushing, of trying, of stressing. Because in being, we're so much closer to our true nature, and it's in our true nature that we unlock our natural abilities, our creativity, our love, compassion, the things that will really make life more alive for us. So with that said, I just wanted to put it out there, the importance of plugging out, getting back into alignment, centering yourself, whatever that means to you. Just playing video games, knock yourself out. But I think it's more about perhaps some light physical exercise, getting out in nature, relaxing, really relaxing. At least that's the game for me. So, wish you a really good morning, good night, good day, depending on when you watch this video. All the best to you. Have a good day.